Good evening, everyone.
Very good evening.
How all are you?
Very good.
Very fine.
I hope you all are doing good. Uh, Today, sir, I'm not going to speak about a person as you told. I don't want to meet anyone, but I want to meet a mentality. Poverty. I want to meet poverty. I don't want to sound like a uh, very motivational, but yes, I will meet poverty. Like, why you choose always poor people home? Why don't you go to rich people's home where you can find world class luxury, continental food, best collection of cars, a very posh area, everything is sorted. But you choose only poor people home where you will find only rotten and fragile food, world class diseases, water dripping from roofs. They don't have money. Why you always go there? Don't you have any shame? You can see your sister wealth. It always choose only poor people home. Why don't you follow like her? Because of you, so many farmers suicide because they don't have money. A farmer who wholly provide food to world, but ultimately on one day he doesn't have anything because he has loan of from bank. He doesn't have money to pay. That's why he suicide. Why don't you go to another's home, like rich people home? Because of you, a family can come on road only in one night. There are so many mothers who sell their jewelry because of the education of their children. Every parents want to give best class, world class education to their children, every facility. But at some point they fail because they have nothing. The one thing they need is money. If they have money, they will like they were poor people, rich people. Because of you, so many unmarried sisters are sitting at their father's home because their brother and father doesn't have money to pay dowry. Guys, I think in 2022, 11,290 farmers suicide because they have nothing. One thing common in a poor people home and a rich people home is that when a rich people all like he always remember bank when he needs someone. He don't remember God. But a poor people only have one hope, that is God. Because they don't bank will never give money to them because they have already taken. And that they don't have passports. They don't know, like they cannot run from their country because they think it is their motherland. They are laborious, they are hard worker. But the rich people, they take loan from banks and run from the country, leave the country. They are the deceivers. So I want to ask poverty, why you choose always poor people or honest person on the place of deceiver people, cheater people? Poverty reply me if I will ask that it is just a mentality. Poverty and wealth is just a mentality. Then I will again question, if it is mentality, then tell me, when two person goes to any wedding, why they feel discrimination because other one is rich and the one in which home you are staying is poor? Why they feel disrespect in society? Why they need to earn respect with money? So in India, I think right till yet, till today, millions of people die because of food. And I have seen so many countries, the euphoria, or there is a country of South Africa, is poorest country. They doesn't have proper meal. Forget about meal. They don't have food for the whole week. They are living in mud. They don't have homes. Like right now, if we go anywhere to find a home, we will see like we have a proper floor, proper furniture, but they don't think about it. They just need a roof, only roof. Doesn't matter if they need to sleep in water, they will manage somehow. Guys, poverty, we should eradicate poverty from this country. Otherwise, there will be one day when in the world there is only crops or this climate, these buildings where no one is living. And also, I want to respect from all of you. Please respect those who doesn't have money, those who doesn't have clothes, proper clothes, fancy clothes, just like us. Respect those who doesn't have proper homes. You can also sit with them. Thank you for listening.